What is good, everyone? Welcome to the video. I don't know how long this one's gonna take. I'm gonna try to rush it because I'm trying to get it out before midnight. No trade recap for today though. Basically, just a forward test session of something I wanted to test out. Obviously, I was watching it, or not obviously, but I was watching it during market hours. So obviously, I kind of already know some of the price action, but there is some things I want to look at more as I didn't do a deep dive into it earlier. So yeah, getting into it now. So basically, it was around the morning session. I'll check PM afterwards to see real quick if it doesn't take too long. So yeah, let's get into this. So coming into the morning session, we had a significant sell side down here. As you can see, a very significant low. And we did have news this morning, but I don't think we left any significant like wicks or anything. Oh, that was at 10 a.m. So I gotta skip a little. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we didn't leave any significant wicks, but here was data highs. Mark it out here, and then let me drop the time frame on this too, or not time, with the speed. And then we got data lows, which that actually left the equal low right there. Let me mark it down here. Where's the data lows? So then we proceed to take out these equal lows of the data lows. Didn't come back down, or didn't come back up, sorry. And then after this, we had left, not yet. Let me go a little forward here. Still haven't left any 5-minute or anything. I think this is where we left it. Yeah, so now we have the 5-minute, tapped into a 5-minute here. So after the tap, we can see for either a reversal or what's most likely going to happen after the tap is to see if we continue down lower and respect the fair value gap. So let me move this over here too, as well as the 5-minute getting tapped into there. Now, actually, let me delete this. So again, this was the 5-minute tap, but I'm just going to delete it here so it doesn't get in the way. I think this is where we inversed. So yeah, we have this 1 minute here. Let me double check after I put that. Okay, let me see if that's the highest time frame. Actually, we have this tiny, tiny 2-minute right here. Don't think there's a 3-minute, but let me check. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, that won't create it. So actually, we inversed here. So that's where that candle closed. So then stop above this high and then take profit at the sell side level that I had. So again, before I play this out, this I had marked in the morning session. I had this data high, or not, sorry, I didn't have this data high. I just put that data high. I had these equal lows. So this was really the only thing I had marked out in the session. So then let me just play this out here. I'll do sell one contract. So take profit here, stop loss here, and then let me drop to the 1 minute, and I will, I think actually, let's take this on a 2-minute. I mean, it just has to be at an eternal low, but I mean, technically, I think this would be the break-even point. So yeah, let this play out now. Yeah. Again, I honestly was debating it between these two lows, and again, I know the price action, like I said, but I honestly wasn't sure if we tapped into this, which actually we didn't. We left it equal low before coming higher and tapping break even. So I don't think, yeah, I don't think I would have moved the stop because I left the equal low. But again, I honestly was debating this, so I probably could have got stopped out right there, honestly. So again, but this is a forward test, so it's not like that serious or anything. But okay, break even taken out. Put stop to break even. Or oh, let me actually put it exactly break even. And then I remember this. There was a little bit. I also did debate joining up the tap of the Fair Value Gap, even though it's not the my entry model per se, but trading smaller size now. But still, good thing I didn't. I mean, it would have hit take profit, but it's against my model. But just saying, I did have that thought in my mind earlier in this session, and then take profit taken out there. So then, let me skip a little bit to PM session real quick, just to see. I gotta make sure what time. Okay, we're 11 a.m., 12, and then let me go to the 30-minute real quick. Well, I think that jumps us to 1 p.m. for some reason, but I see. I don't think there was anything at 1 p.m. anyways, if I remember correctly, but let me skip here till 2. I wish it would show the time frames on the bottom right as if. Okay, let me check real quick. Yeah, well, yeah, I forgot we had a huge run up. I forgot to mention too. I did see that. I forgot to mention this. Could have tried to turtle soup this again. Hindsight. Yeah, I don't know. That could have been a possibility. But anyways, looking into 15 minutes. That 5 minutes tapped into 15 minute is a 5 minute, and then all these targets below. Then let me see. Now for 2 p.m., looking for 2 p.m. open high, low close. Next candle. So open high, low. I don't really know how the candle reacted, but there's nothing to inverse either way. That is an inversion. Let me try it. Don't know. Let me see that here. No, really SMT or anything. Or wait, what am I saying? Wait, am I slow? Oh yeah, no, that did take out that high. All right, let me try it. Not super high conviction. I mean, again, this is a little different, so because I can't. I mean, it's such a small thing, anyways. For that, that's actually would be the break-even point, and then let me sell here. Play this out. Is it so slow? Oh, it's not playing. Close to getting stopped there. Okay, break even. Play the rest of this out. Oh, I didn't even have to take profit. I'm slow. Well, let's see if it comes back down. Okay. Well, take profit was hit. I didn't have to take profit. Let me see if we get top tip break even. Okay, it takes take profit anyways. And okay, so yeah, again, the first one, okay, of course it moves, but that was somewhat there. The first one, I kind of knew some of the price action as I was watching it in the AM session, but the PM session I had no clue about. So this was more so of a forward test, and then this one was a forward test slash back test. Again, you guys saw me do it live. I just moved it over. I didn't really know. The second one though, not super high conviction, but the risk reward, it's a 1 to 2.6, and for only a 9 and a quarter stop loss, it's not that bad. So yeah, that's it for today's video. A little different. It just, again, I've been very inconsistent and I'm trying to get back into the normal things that I was doing, and it's been a process. So I just wanted to get this video out. So hopefully tomorrow I will have an aftermarket trade recap. And that is it for today's video. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.